Nithya YouTube channel. This is my new skating. Let's unbox it. My daddy bought it for me. Let's open it. If we fit this boat, we can do it. This one. Friends, these are my old skatings. This is nice only, but this one removed. See, inside we can't keep it. This one removed. So we bought new skatings. See the difference to the both. See, this is hard, this is very smooth, flexible also. When we do, the sound is coming, but for this, no sound is and no disturbance will be there for anyone. And we can loose or tight for fitting our leg. I lay the safeties for hands and for legs, for the knees, for this, for the palm. For my side, I made this thing. This one is my size. I should adjust it. Like this, we should fit this. Like this, we should fit this also. This one, another one. Now I am wearing it. We bought in Amazon. This price is 549.